In this video guide, I will give you help to get rid of the ransomware that is called Fileslock. Fileslock. This ransomware is basically not different from other ransomware type threats. The purpose of this particular ransomware is to encrypt the data on the infected computer and to force people into paying the ransom for the file restoration. Definitely, before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications at all. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, text documents and other data pretty easily. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. Well, due to certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Fileslock ransomware may be injected into the computer. Then the ransomware adds this special Fileslock extension to all the files that are encrypted. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file recovery, and this is that scary message that says your company network has been penetrated. As I said, the ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom and to contact the criminals by these email addresses. But in reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee file restoration. What we recommend you to do is to immediately scan the system with the reliable anti-ransomware such as Combo Cleaner. It will help you to detect and delete this particular ransomware from your computer. So download the program using this direct download Combo Cleaner button. Then you need to install the program, and this will take maybe 1 minute or so. After the program is successfully installed, you will need to start the program. But the point is that because of this ransomware, you might not discover the desktop icon of Combo Cleaner. So you might need to implement some tricks to eventually start Combo Cleaner if it doesn't get started automatically. So how to start Combo Cleaner? Go to the C drive, then select program files, then select Combo Cleaner folder and start the program directly through this location. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete this particular ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.